In order to change the language on the Rednote app for both iPhone and Android devices, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open the Rednote application, launch the app, and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. After you're in the home section, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. In the sidebar that appears, tap on the settings option and then navigate to the general settings, that is between account security and notification settings. Tap on it. Here, tap on languages and scroll through the list and select English or your desired language. After that, click on Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. And on iPhones, the app may automatically refresh to apply the new language setting. Please note that while these steps will change the app's interface language, some content may still appear in the original one. So this was all about it. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.